Welcome back to Kallamotto. Today, we are taking a closer look at the latest evolution of the highly anticipated mid-weight cruiser segment. Kawasaki has just pulled the covers off the 2027 edition of the Eliminator, bringing bold visual updates while strictly maintaining the low and long ergonomics that define its character. Let's break down the technical details and our first impressions. Aesthetically, Kawasaki has finally injected their iconic color DNA into this series. For 2027, the SE variant is wrapped in a dark, elegant metallic bluish green, complemented by an aggressive headlight cowl and fork boots. However, the real standout is the Plaza Edition, featuring a vibrant, attention-grabbing candy emerald green. The seamless flow from the sculpted fuel tank to the low-slung seat creates a masterfully proportional profile. Moving to the powertrain, the 2027 Eliminator continues to rely on the proven 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine adopted from the Ninja family. This power plant delivers 48 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 37 Newton-meters at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Combined with a curb weight hovering around 176 to 178 kilograms, this motorcycle promises an impressive power-to-weight ratio for its class. On the technology front, the SE and Plaza editions now come equipped with built-in front and rear dash cams from Mitsubishi, along with a waterproof USB Type-C port, making it exceptionally capable for long-distance cruising. With an incredibly approachable seat height of 735 millimeters and utility-focused feature updates, the 2027 Eliminator proves that classic styling and modern practicality can merge without compromise. What are your first impressions of these new colorways? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Kallamotto for more automotive updates and technical breakdowns. See you in the next video.